Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Tonight I am going to use this leftover paint from this tree ring pour that I did, and so this is all the extra colors. I just poured them into this one cup and I added magenta. So there you go. We're gonna see what we get. And I am working on a 6-inch tile, and I'm going to do a tree ring. It's a lot of dark. Let's just see how it goes. Ooh, I'm loving the magenta coming out. All the materials used will be listed below. What's that? Ooh, look how pretty that is. I cannot believe that it's all the same paint from the other painting except just magenta added, because this looks completely different than that one did. So I'm gonna let this sit here for a second, but I'm gonna give you a flash of the other painting. There it is. See how different these colors are than this? And the only thing I did extra was add a little bit of magenta. So we will see. All right. I am not gonna wreck this one. I did that last time, but I really love tree rings, so I'm just gonna start moving this one around. I really need to start making some more of the 4-inch tiles because I gave most of them away for Christmas. Give them to all my friends in my book club. They went over with a bang. And then my grandson took them to his teachers. Give them to my family. So I need to stock back up. All right, let's just go over the edge here. Gonna help it a bit because I don't want to lose that center. So I'm going to come back this way. And yes, once again, I am without gloves. It's just ridiculous, isn't it? Look at this color right here. Isn't that pretty? All right. All right, I'm going to go off this corner. And now back to center. All right, now we're going to go off this way. Okay. And now we will go over this final corner and be done. Okay. I'm gonna scoop up some of this paint and put it on here just to make it flow better, make it easier. Okay. Now we will run this off. And that will flow better because I've cupped it.
How do you make that?
Just took the thing, dumped it.
Can that wash?
Yep. like the colors? Yeah, me too.
That 4 doors?
For what?
That 4 doors?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. Now we gotta,
Dry?
yeah, we gotta bring it back to center that way a little bit, and then we're done.
I need gloves.
I didn't put gloves on. I forgot. I'm always forgetting my gloves, aren't I? All right. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
Cool. Gonna turn it around.
Yeah, a little bit more right there, purple.
Go that way a little bit more.
Yeah.
It's getting on my finger.
Yeah.
Just flowing down my finger.
Wow.
All right, there we go.
You're done?
That's messy. I'm gonna set it right here. Okay.
Or what's
There we go.
this?
That one's too tall.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta have a short one. Okay. There we go. Scrape the paint off
Whoa.
of the bottom.
Yep.
Yep.
Now you're there.
Can you give her a phone?
Look, you see Maggie.
Yep. You see Maggie?
There you are.
Okay. Here are some close-ups. Look at those rings on rings on rings. You can see, wow, the orange and the magenta and the purple. Wow, I love it. Yeah, this one turned out completely different because I layered the colors differently. So on the other one, I wanted it to be the silver, the black, and the white together, so they kind of made a hazy effect. And I really think it looks like a lotus flower. I really like that one. But this one is like traditional tree ring. I love all the colors. Poppin'. It's poppin'. Thanks for watching, guys. Be inspired.